Our planet is full of wonders that science can't fully explain. Places like the Zone of Silence in Mexico's Chihuahua Desert experiences strange electromagnetic properties, while Norway's Hessdalen Valley has thousands of glowing orbs since the 1940s. The sources of these mysterious phenomena remain a mystery, with ongoing research are just a few examples. These most mysterious places on Earth show us how much we still don't know. Take the Devil's Kettle in Minnesota, where water disappears into a bottomless hole. Half the Brulé River disappears into a kettle, and dye tests can't find it. This leaves its hydrology a mystery. These sites challenge even our modern technology and theories. Plain of Jars. The Plain of Jars is a mysterious archaeological site in central Laos, known for its large collection of stone jars dating back to the Iron Age. The jars, made of sandstone or granite, are believed to have been used for funerary purposes, storage, or symbolic purposes. The site is also a symbol of Laos's tragic history, as it was heavily bombed during the Vietnam War. The site has been designated a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and ongoing excavation and research are being conducted to learn more about its origins and significance. The site is also a symbol of Laos's tragic history, as it was heavily bombed during the Vietnam War. Despite efforts to clear the bombs, the Plain of Jars remains an enduring symbol of ancient history. As the region recovers from the remnants of war, the Plain of Jars remains an important archaeological and cultural site. Even UNESCO-protected sites like Laos Plain of Jars, with ancient stone containers and human remains, have no clear answers. Lake Natron, Tanzania. Lake Natron looks like something straight out of a horror movie. The water is super salty and super alkaline, with a weird reddish hue. The crazy part? Animals that get too close can end up frozen in time, their bodies calcified, giving them this haunting, petrified look. It's like nature's own version of a spooky museum. Easter Island, Chile. Easter Island is home to those famous giant stone heads, moai, and the question remains, how did they move those massive statues all across the island? The theories vary from ingenious human engineering to aliens. Whatever it was, the mystery of how they got there remains unsolved. Human curiosity loves the unknown. Things like glowing orbs over Norway and vanishing ships in the Bermuda Triangle make us want to solve them. This urge has been with us since ancient times. For ages, humans have tried to understand the unexplained. Ancient Greeks thought of sea monsters to explain the deep sea. Now we use sonar to explore the ocean floor. But still, over 74% of the seafloor is unmapped. The most exciting phrase in science is, "I don't know." Today, we use satellites and drones to study mysteries like the Hessdalen lights in Norway. They shine brightly, but we still don't know why. This shows how much we still have to learn. Stories and legends mix with reality. The Patum crater in Siberia has been a mystery for 300 years. Some think it's from aliens. Alright, so picture this, the Great Pyramid of Giza. The Great Pyramid of Giza is a marvel. It was built with 2.3 million limestone blocks, each weighing 2.5 tons. Its alignment with stars and internal chambers still puzzles experts. How ancient builders moved and placed these stones without modern tools is a mystery. Namibia's fairy circles. Namibia's fairy circles are circular patches of barren land found in the southern part of the country, ranging from 2 to 15 meters in diameter. The circles are believed to be caused by termite activity, which disrupts vegetation growth, leading to a self-organizing pattern. Another theory suggests that plants compete for water and nutrients, leading to the bare patches. Fungal or bacterial activities in the soil may cause vegetation to die in certain spots, resulting in the fairy circle formation. Meteorological and environmental factors may also influence plant growth in dry conditions. Despite numerous investigations, no single explanation has been universally accepted, making Namibia's fairy circles a fascinating natural phenomenon. River of the Amazon in South America. The Amazon River is already pretty legendary, right? But here's the kicker. Scientists can't figure out how it's so damn long and so damn powerful. It's got all this crazy biodiversity, mysterious creatures, and unknown corners that still haven't been fully explored. There's also a ton of folklore around the river that makes it feel like a jungle version of the Bermuda Triangle. Lake Hillier in Australia is pink. Yes, it's really pink. Scientists say the color comes from algae that produce red pigments, but the sight is so surreal it feels like something out of a dream. Imagine swimming in a lake that looks like a giant cotton candy cloud. Sweet, right? Stonehenge in England is another enigma. Its 40-ton stones were transported over 200 miles. Yet, no tools or campsites mark their journey. The Nazca Lines in Peru stretch across 170 square miles, etched into desert soil as animal shapes visible only from the sky. I mean, come on, this one's classic. Yonaguni Monument's underwater stone structures off Japan suggest advanced engineering, but no tools or debris linked to their creation. These sites challenge our assumptions about ancient capabilities. How did cultures without metal tools shape the 39-foot-tall crystals in Mexico's Cave of Crystals? Nature's most puzzling mysteries are found in places where unexplainable occurrences puzzle scientists. These areas, from vast oceans to remote deserts, challenge our grasp of the physical world. Let's dive into more spots where science can't explain these places, and their secrets are still unknown. Bermuda Triangle. This area in the Atlantic, from Florida to Bermuda, has seen over 700 disappearances since the 1940s. Despite many theories, like methane gas bubbles or rogue waves, no single reason fits all cases. Ships and planes just vanish, leaving only guesses. These places show us that even in our data-driven world, nature's rules aren't always clear. Some places are so mysterious they defy logic. These sites draw in both researchers and thrill seekers. They want to uncover the truth behind supernatural mysteries. But scientific tools often fail, leaving only hints of the unknown. Haunted hotels and mansions that defy rational explanation. The Winchester Mystery House in California has 160 rooms. It's filled with locked doors and ghostly sounds. Even the Stanley Hotel in Colorado is famous. It was the inspiration for Stephen King's The Shining. Guests and staff have reported seeing ghosts. Romania's Hoia Baciu forest is hard to navigate. Compasses spin wildly here. Japan's Aokigahara forest is eerie. Cameras and phones often fail, adding to its dark legend. Researchers find strange magnetic field spikes. But the glitches remain unexplained. Edinburgh Castle sees over 300 ghost sightings every year. The spirit of Mary, Queen of Scots, is often seen. In India, Bangor Fort is so spooky, the government bans nighttime visits. Savannah, Georgia is famous for its Grey Lady legend. It has over 100 haunted sites. In Rajasthan, Kolkata is abandoned. Locals still talk about curses from 1730. Despite some saying it's all in our heads, these places still attract many. Tourism grows by 20–30% each year. Whether true or not, these places keep us wondering. Earth's surface has spots where nature goes against physics, creating scientific anomalies that puzzle experts. Places with gravity-defying slopes and compasses spinning wildly make us question our understanding of the natural world. But Hudson Bay's gravity readings show real anomalies. Lower gravity levels were first found in the 1960s. Oregon's Magnetic Mountain. Compass needles spin wildly here, and there are reports of car troubles. Scientists argue over Hudson Bay's gravity dip, wondering if it's due to changes in the mantle or hidden geology. Oregon's magnetic distortions lead to theories about underground minerals or unknown rock formations. Even when we find explanations, more questions arise. The magnetic hill's uphill effect is partly an optical trick, yet Hudson Bay's data shows real gravitational dips. This mix of illusion and reality shows how mysterious phenomena need more study. As we study these sites, they remind us that Earth still has secrets to uncover. Technology has changed how we find bizarre and strange places around the world. Now we use satellites and social media to explore. These tools help us uncover hidden wonders, showing us that mysteries still exist today. Social media has made it easier to share stories of unusual and curious places. For example, Death Valley's sliding rocks were first caught on camera in 2014. Videos showed how wind and ice moved the stones, solving a mystery that lasted for decades. Online groups also track strange sounds like the Taos hum in New Mexico. This low-frequency sound is felt by some locals. Once thought to be myths, some stories are now proven true. Satellites showed that ancient cities like Derinkuyu in Turkey really exist. This matches local legends. All right, so this one looks like something out of a Tim Burton movie, the Crooked Forest in Poland. The Crooked Forest in Poland has over 400 bent pines planted in the 1930s. The Crooked Forest is filled with trees that all curve at the base, like they're doing some weird dance. Scientists still don't know why the trees are bent in these perfect, spooky angles. Maybe it's a forest full of enchanted trees. Or maybe it's just some mysterious plant phenomenon. Either way, it's kind of freaky in the best way. People debate whether humans or nature caused this. Social media has made these places famous, attracting visitors. Space technology has revealed Earth's hidden patterns. The Eye of Sahara in Mauritania was once thought to be a crater, but satellites showed it's actually a massive circle. Dark matter, making up 85% of the universe, is invisible and unexplained. Bizarre places around the world, like Wales's mysterious octopus strandings or Amelia Earhart's vanished plane, show nature and history can be beyond our understanding. Even with advanced tools like telescopes, we can't always figure them out. These mysteries spark our curiosity. The pyramid's precise design and strange radio signals from far away make scientists wonder. They show that wonder is not a weakness, but a drive for discovery. Dark energy shaping galaxies and tardigrades surviving in space are examples of how much science still has to explore. Whether it's dark energy shaping galaxies or tardigrades surviving in space, these puzzles encourage us to be curious but humble. The world's unsolved mysteries are more than oddities. They're a call to keep exploring what lies beyond our current understanding. Every unanswered question is a step towards new discoveries.